In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit categories on Big Cartel. Whether you're a burgeoning artist or a small business owner, your online store is the digital storefront where customers meet your brand. Organizing your products into categories not only makes your store more navigable, but can significantly enhance the shopping experience for your customers. So, grabbing a bit of your time today, I'll walk you through the easy process of editing categories on your Big Cartel store. First, let's navigate to the Big Cartel website. It's designed as a straightforward, user-friendly platform for artists and small businesses to launch their online shops. On the homepage, you'll see various options and snippets of what Big Cartel has to offer, but what we're looking for is the Login button. This is where your journey to organizing your store begins. Click on Login and you'll be prompted to enter your shop's unique URL. Each store on Big Cartel has its dedicated URL, making your store distinct and easy to find. Once you've filled that in, the next step is to enter your password. Remember to keep your password secure and challenging to guess, as this protects your account from unauthorized access. Upon logging in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. This is the command center for your Big Cartel store, where you can manage products, orders, and much more. However, our focus today is on the products section. You'll find it easily on the dashboard. Click on it, and let's move forward to tidy up your store. Within the products section, you're presented with the items currently up for sale in your store. Choose a product you wish to categorize or edit the category for. This level of organization helps potential buyers find what they're looking for more efficiently. After selecting a product, look for the Add Plus button. This might be slightly counterintuitive, but it's essentially your gateway to managing categories. Clicking this button reveals the option to manage categories. Categories can be seen as folders for your products, helping you organize them based on similarities, whether it's by type, collection, or any other criteria you deem fitting for your store. Upon clicking on Manage Categories, you're now at the point where you can truly customize how your products are grouped. To add a new category, simply find the option to Add Categories. It's here that your creativity comes into play. Think about how you'd like your products to be seen. Categories can be anything from summer collection to limited edition prints. Choose a name that resonates with the theme or vibe of the products being grouped together. After typing in your new category name, the final step is to save your changes. This action finalizes the creation or editing of your category, integrating your organizational efforts into your store's layout. And just like that, you've successfully edited categories in your Big Cartel store. But before we conclude, a couple of tips to keep your store shining. Regularly review your categories to ensure they still align with your products and what your customers are looking for. Shopping trends change, and so might your inventory, necessitating occasional reevaluation of your categories. Also, consider the user experience. Categories should be named clearly and descriptively, guiding customers smoothly through your store, and there you have it. A simple yet effective way to manage and edit categories on your Big Cartel store, making your products easier to browse and ultimately boosting your store's appeal to customers. Remember, the aim is to create a shopping experience that's not just pleasant but also reflects the unique spirit of your brand. Happy categorizing!